Well, thanks to the Federalist Society for allowing me to speak to you like this. In the debate that I just walked out of, I basically made 4 points about the Affordable Care Act. First, that this power to mandate all people enter into contracts with insurance companies and do business with them for the rest of their lives is entirely unprecedented. It's never been done before, and the very fact that this novel power that would otherwise be a very attractive power has never been used by Congress before suggests that that power just does not exist. The second point I made is that the power is uncabined or unlimited, that the government has yet to provide a real limit to when economic mandates can be imposed and when they cannot be. And the only thing that it said so far is that health insurance is different. But that's factual statement. It does not provide a judicially administrable limit because it would get courts in the business of having to decide whether something's different or the same, and it's just not something that they're going to do. So there really is no limit on this power, and that itself is problematic. Thirdly, that Congress did have powers it could have used to address free rider problems and other problems, the historic power to tax and spend, but the reason why they didn't was a political one. They didn't have the votes to do that because such power is unpopular. And the fact that they had the power, but the fact that they had this power and it was only politics that stopped them from doing it means it really isn't necessary to expand Congress's commerce power in this way. And finally, by expanding Congress's power in this way, to give a commerce power to mandate people enter into contracts is a very dangerous power, because because the normal way that Congress provides incentives and solves free rider problems is monetary, through the use of tax subsidies and through the use of financial penalties and that sort of thing. In this case, in the future, not in this case, but in the future, if mandates like this are upheld, it means that Congress could send you to jail and imprison you for failing to buy a product that it wants you to buy. And so that makes this a very highly dangerous power. And for all those reasons, I think the court certainly ought to find that economic mandates are outside the power of Congress to enact, and I'm hopeful that they will.